Hello and welcome. Martin Tutorials presents the math behind bridge design, a parabola in action. And this here is the question of the day. The engineers are going to build a bridge with a parabolic shape, and from one end to the other end of this curved bridge is exactly 40 meters. The height from the top to the bottom of the bridge over here is exactly 20 meters. We want to find a formula to calculate the height at any time or any place. I'm going to solve it two methods to show that there's many ways of doing it. Here, this part one, I'll do one method, and part two, I'll do the other method. What I'm going to do for mathematics, I'm going to turn this bridge upside down or invert it. And what I'm going to do is, there's another diagram of the bridge, and we're pretending this is an XY plane, okay? And that's the shape, and I'm going to find an equation that relates the X to the Y. That means at any given point, we can find out what that distance is. Now, I know when the height is 0, X is 0. So 0, 0 is the only point where the height is 0. So I'm going to write the equation A. Now remember, it's x minus those intercepts. The values of x that make y0 is 0. So I put x minus 0 times x minus 0. But it's going to be some multiple, which is a, because we're not sure yet. And I simplify that to a. X minus 0 is simply x. That's x squared, x times x. So y equals ax squared. And now if I find any point over here, I use it to solve for a, because this is an equation that relates all the points. One such point is when x is 20, y is 20. So plug a 20 in there and a 20 in there. 20 equals a times 20 squared. 20 equals 400 times a. Divide each side by 400. A equals 20 over 400. That simplifies to 1 over 20. So a is 1 over 20. So that's the equation. Y equals 1 over 20 x squared, where minus 20 is less than equal to x, which is less than equal to 20. So at any point, let's say when x is 10, we watch that point there. We'd plug 20 in. 1 over 20 times 10 squared. That simplifies to 5. When x is 10, that distance is 5 from there. And we use that to build this bridge. Thanks, everyone.